Hi, how are you? Let's solve this problem. Okay, so this problem, let's just read this question. So the diagram on the right shows all the values of x for which modulus of 2x plus 5 star a. So basically we need to find the symbol star. It can be among these and the unknown constant a and b. So let's see how it goes. Okay, just make sure one thing that you examine, pause the video, read the question on your own and examine what all facts you can jot down. Let's proceed now. We know that modulus of x minus a is equal to b. So here a will be serving as your center and b is your radius. So on the number line, what can I say over here? That a is my center, right? This is my center. And we are going back a minus b and a plus b. So in that way, let's just examine 2x plus 5. So what will happen to it? 2x plus 5, let's just equate it to 0. So my center over here is what? Negative 2, 5. So negative 2.5 serve as our center over here. So let's just fix it in this number line. Okay, it will be somewhat over here, right? So it's center. So this distance and this distance will be same. So that will help us to find B. So let's see how we will find B. So this distance turns out to be, what is this distance? This distance from negative 2.5 to 3. What is this distance? This is 5.5, right? And let's go back on the left side, 5.5. It's negative 8. Okay. Negative 0.25 plus negative 0.5. Negative 5.5, sorry. So why it's negative? Because I'm going in the left direction. That's what the logic of the negative is. Okay, so B is negative 8. Now, we know from the definition of the modulus or the absolute value function that it's basically under root of x square. That's mod x, right? So this is the def part. Right. So if that is there, so let's just go back to the original question, right? We will just take this chunk and apply our def. So according to the definition, what we get over here is under root of 2x plus 5 whole square star. So we will be squaring both the sides. What we gonna get over here? If I square both the sides. So what will happen? The under root will vanish. It's 2x plus 5 whole square star a square. I'll take a square on that side. Okay, I've taken it on that side. And what will happen? Now, I think you guys are able know this identity, right? So that identity I have applied over here, this result. And it gives me this. So I have two numbers, okay, and star. Now for the sake of what you say convenience and it's easy for me, what I'll do, I'm going to equate it to 0. Now the product of two numbers is 0. So the first bracket is some number, second bracket is some number. Their product is equal to 0. It means either this bracket is equal to 0, the first one, or the second one is equal to 0. So if the first one is equal to 0 and the second one, let's take the individual. Now let's go back to the number line. Here I have 3, here I have negative 8. Okay, though they are not included, but let's see how it proceeds. Just a sec, it got vanished. Sorry. So what will happen now? I'll proceed. I'll take x is equal to 3. I'll sub it over here. Okay, I'll get a as 11. Here a as negative 11. I take x as negative 8. I'll sub it. Okay, in the first bracket and the second bracket. Now look at the fact that what is it? A is my radius. So radius can be positive number. So I'll take the positive solution into consideration. So that gives me my a as 11. That's how the we solve these type of question. Modulus question are very weighted questions in the exam and very demanding. So yeah, that's it for today. See you with the next problem. Till then, bye bye. Keep smiling, keep shining.